welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here, from beauty, lifestyle, to home decor, pets, candles, snacks, everything. If you love subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, if you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. Also, don't forget, right now we do have 2 active giveaways. They will both be linked down below. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway and we have our thrift bag holiday giveaway. So without further ado, let's get to today's video, which is the December 2019 GlossyBox. For those of you that do not know, GlossyBox is a $21 a month beauty subscription, and you receive generally 5 to 7 beauty items. They can be sample, deluxe, and sometimes even full-size items. And I do have a link I'll put down below if you'd like to check it out. You can save 20% on your first order. And as with most subscriptions, you can go ahead and save a little bit if you sign up for 3, 6, or even 12 months. So all of that will be down below. I hope you guys check it out if you are interested. So let's get in here and see what we got. I think the box is so beautiful. Like the gold and like burgundy look, they are definitely hitting on the holiday vibes. So when we open it, the lid is, and these are like sturdy boxes. And it's tied up with gold ribbon. How cute is that? Oh, and there's a little sticker. All right. So see some goodies in there, some red squigglies. So we will, wait a minute, there's usually like a card. There is usually a card that will tell you pricing and information, but I don't see one, so we will wing it. First item is pretty self-explanatory, and I think I can figure these out. This is the LA Splash Golden Gatsby 3D Faux Mink Lashes. And those are actually very pretty. They're very like whimsy and just wispy and very, very pretty. Like those would definitely be natural in my opinion, but give you that extra bit. So those I think are absolutely gorgeous. And obviously they are full size. Darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. And these are cruelty free. Now waltz the night away. So I like those. So like I said, that is obviously full size. And then, ooh, I love this. I love getting brushes. And we got the Luxie 215 small angle brush. And here you can see. So again, that's another full-size product. And these brushes usually are $10 to $12. I would guess the lashes are probably $8 to $15. I'm not exactly sure. But either way, that's 2 full-size products so far. And then we have from Steve Laurent. This is a lip gloss. It says cherry. Live your life in color. Steve Laurent Beauty is what that says right there. Live your life in color. But it appears to be a full-size like pot lip gloss, and that is definitely a cherry red. I was trying to see if it smelled. It doesn't really have a smell. So you know what? I'm probably going to put this into our holiday appreciation giveaway. So here's another item for the giveaway. Yay! All right. And then this is from Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. That's very pretty packaging. Oh. All right, so there is a little, and there is a nice mirror. Y'all, this is really, really pretty. So we have a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. That is stunning. That is gorgeous. Blessed, Goddess, and Incredible. I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm not gonna swatch these. I have quite a few face, palette, products and stuff, and highlighters. So this is also going back into our holiday appreciation giveaway. So there's 2 products added. Yay! And then let's see, it looks like we have one more item in here, and this is Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. It's really interesting packaging. It's like frosted glass, but can you guys see the color separation there? So like I imagine you would shake it and it kind of mixes, and then you would use it. That's definitely interesting. So we got the full size nail and cuticle energizer. We got the full size ultimate glow getter. So you have a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight. This is going to our holiday appreciation giveaway. Full size Steve Laurent lip gloss going to our holiday giveaway. Obviously lashes are full size, and a Luxie brush full size. So we got 5 full size products. So we got all full size products in this box. That was great for I almost said September, for December. I think they did a great job, and these are all really awesome products. Steve Laurent, Luxie, obviously, Real Her. So let me know what you think down below. Do you get GlossyBox? If you don't, like I said, I will put a link if you are interested, and it will save you 20% off your first order. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.